Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. So it is Thursday and it's Paris's third day at childcare. So it's still early in the morning. I just get ready. Paris is still in bed, but Tita changed her clothes already, so she's ready to go. She's just back to sleep. And Tita, have a look guys. Tita is making pancakes for Paris. Say hi, Tita. Wala pa siya hilamos, guys. Thank you, Tita. But yeah, I'm now ready. It's actually raining outside, guys, so I don't know, because we don't have any umbrella, so we have to walk from the car to the childcare, so I think we're gonna get wet. But anyways, just excuse the noise in the background, guys, because as you've seen before, Tita is making pancakes for Paris and for me. But just an update for Paris's childcare. So yesterday I didn't vlog, so I went to pick her up in the afternoon, and had a great feedback from the teachers, guys. They said that she's having fun, she had a good day, she was sleeping good, but there's only one issue, guys: her eating. For some reason, I am not surprised, guys, because I know that she's a fussy eater. Yesterday they said, they served fruit for morning tea. She wouldn't eat, she wouldn't even touch it. They had like pizza for, I don't know, I think afternoon tea, and then again she'll just taste it a little bit, and then she gets distracted, guys, just because she doesn't like eating. She just put herself into a situation where she will just play and not care about eating at all. So I'm very worried because of that matter, guys. I don't know, because I'm still breastfeeding her, maybe she thinks that I know when my mom picks me up I can have milk. So I asked the teachers yesterday, what do you think I should do? And they said to just keep introducing food to Paris, different kinds of food, so she'll get used to it. Guys, don't get me wrong, we tried so many times, but she just won't take it. So for me, yesterday when we got home, I was crying, like I was sobbing, guys, because I felt down. I felt bad as a mom, thinking and knowing that my daughter is not eating, and I'm thinking, like, am I a bad mother because I didn't introduce her to food, like early, in an early age. But yeah, I just cried it all out yesterday, guys, because I think it just all adds up. I picked up Paris and had that feedback that she wasn't eating, and then when I picked her up, she's got like a snotty nose, so I know that she's getting sick because she's getting she's getting cold. And then because she was Suki, guys, I put her in the car. She was actually crying all the way from the childcare to home, and also because the distance from the childcare to our place, guys, doesn't help because of the traffic in the afternoon. It takes just less than 2 hours in the car, and I don't blame Paris if she feels bored and she feels like she doesn't feel good inside a car, because I feel the same, guys. I'm driving and I just hate it, but what can I do? That's our situation right now, and we just have to deal with it. So yeah, yesterday in the car, I just while I was driving, I tried to sing all the nursery rhymes, so Paris, and so to entertain Paris, and it actually worked for a little bit, but maybe for half an hour she's like, no, mommy, out. She wants to be out of the car, but we're stuck in the traffic. So I just gave her the phone so she can watch Peppa Pig and any other, nursery rhymes in YouTube. and yeah, that helped. But still, you know, there were moments that like she was just like crying in the car. So when I got home, I was just so drained, guys. It was like, we got home, maybe it was, I don't know, was it 6 o'clock, Ma? Yeah, 6 o'clock. And I was like, I'm so tired. I'm just so drained. Like that's just the word. Because I keep thinking things, you know, like what can I do to improve it? And yeah, when I got home, Daddy was talking to me. He was like, how about we start weaning her? Because, you know, she loves breast milk so much that, you know, she just won't eat anything else. So yesterday we tried, you know, Daddy said, you know, oh, my colleague, this is what she's done. They put like coffee all over the, you know, nipple, you know, the breast area, guys. So we'll see, you know, what Paris thinks. And, you know, when Paris wants to, you know, get her milk, you know, hopefully it will work. You know what I mean? Like, we just say, oh, you know, I don't like that taste anymore, so I'm gonna eat food because I'm hungry now. So that's what we were hoping. And then last night she was like, she came to me and said like DD, which means, you know, milk. And then I tried to, you know, give it to her, and yeah, guys, it worked. She didn't like it. She's like trying to taste it, but she was like, oh, you know, this doesn't taste right because it tastes different, right? I've put coffee on it. So yeah, I think that worked because we put her in the high chair there, as you can see, and she was eating apple, guys, because she was hungry. And then
and the plum.
yeah, and the plum as well. So she was actually like, when everything's finished, she said like, Mama, apple. So it says, you know, she says that she wants more. So I sliced a little bit more and gave it to her. And then yeah, that's, you know, that's what we've done yesterday. So hopefully that's the start. And last night we went to bed, and guys, from day dot, since she was born, guys, she goes to bed when I feed her. And last night, you know, because I had coffee on it, she wants her milk to go to sleep. I think like it's not because she's hungry, but it's just a comfort for her that, you know, she can go to sleep better and easily when she's got milk. She's got her Didi. And then I gave it to her, guys. I just said like boo boo. So boo boo means like sick, you know, like there's something wrong with the milk, but then she still wants it. So I feel so sorry for her because she was just like touching it and trying to put her face on it, even though she can't suck it because it doesn't taste good. Yeah, while she was, you know, trying that, guys, the lights are off, obviously, because, you know, I was taking her to bed. My tears just flew, like just, you know, it just run down through my cheeks, and I was just like crying again, guys, because, you know, I wanted to give it to her, but I know that it's for her good, because if I keep giving, you know, breast milk to her, she's not gonna consider food, guys. You know, food is just like nothing to her because Mama's got milk for her. So I just like kept it to myself. I was crying, and I was like, you know, in my head I was like, I'm so sorry that I have to do this, but it's for your own good. She was like tossing and turning, guys, in bed because, you know, she really wants it. But then, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes or even 30 minutes later, guys, she was just touching it, and then I just didn't make any noise. Yeah, she was just touching it for comfort, I think, and then she just fell asleep, guys. So yeah, it was, you know, the first night that I didn't feed her to sleep, and I felt guilty, but at the same time I felt good because, you know, we got through that, and hopefully it just keeps going, and you know, it will help us both. And now, you know, during the night, because like she wakes during the night to have some milk, but then maybe she knows that again I got something on it, she doesn't like it, she just didn't touch it, or she didn't, you know, suck it, but she just like touched it, you know, knowing that I'm around and you know she's safe. So yeah, that's what happened, guys. And then today so I woke up this morning, guys, and I woke up to her coughing. Like, wow, she was only in childcare for 2 days and she already catch the virus. That's, you know, how quick it was. I knew that she was going to get a bit sick because yesterday when I picked her up, she's got snotty nose and she was sooky, and I know when she's sooky she is not feeling well. So this morning yeah, again she was coughing, but it's not too bad. So you know, we're ready now and we're just gonna go. I'm gonna take her there because I know I was overreacting. I messaged Daddy straight away. I said, like, I felt so bad, you know, our daughter is now sick. And Daddy just, you know, told me that's part of her growing up. She's gonna go to childcare, and also it's gonna build her immune system. So just let her; she will be fine. Yeah, I'm so happy and lucky that I've got that, you know, support, guys. When I felt like I'm a bad mother, you know what I mean? And so like, yeah, so lucky that. You know, I've got Tita, of course, you know what I mean? Like, when I feel down and, you know, like Tita cooks dinner and Tita, you know, help prepare Paris in the morning, and Tita cook pancakes, as, you know, as you can see. And, yeah, I'm just so lucky that I have the support, and I know that it's only going to get better from here. But yeah, that's just the update for now, guys. I'm gonna go to work now and I'm gonna, you know, take Paris to the childcare, and then it's her last day for the week because she's only there for 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So tomorrow I'll be working from home, so she'll be with me at home. And yeah, we'll see how it goes next week, guys. I'm definitely gonna give you an update, but yeah, overall I think she's happy at the childcare. We just have to improve the eating, guys, and you know, I know we're gonna get there. We are making the steps to get there. So yeah, yeah, that's about it, guys. That's just an update for now. Please, you know, all the mums out there, if you're, you know, I know and I hope that I'm not the only one in this situation, guys, when your kid is not, you know, into food. What do you do? Like, if you can, you know, give me some, you know, enlighten me and give me some, you know, advice what to do, because yeah, it's not easy. And salute to all the mothers out there. You're doing such a great job. I know that it's, you know, it's hard, but you're such a hero, and you know, let's just keep doing it for our kids. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for all the support as well. Thank you for watching my videos, and please give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and also hit the subscribe button if you are, you know, if you'd like to be a part of this family. I would love you too. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Oh guys, I'm crying. Yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Be careful. Yeah. Bye, guys.